Okay, hello. I thought I'd do some end of day Koans. I need to decompress a bit. It's been a long day, so let's do a short one. I think I'll just complete about sort object and then we'll call it a day. But yeah. Ooh, and less than a week until PSKoans in Hanover. I'm looking so much forward to it. But let's go on with sort object. Sort object is the most common pipeline collecting commandlet. It is extremely useful when sorting a collection of objects, and it is capable of fairly sophisticated sorting method as you require. However, note that it is a collating commandlet. It will pause the pipeline where it is called in order to sort everything into the specified order. This can slow down processing, and as a result, it is recommended to sort your collection as late in the pipeline sequence as possible. So, describe sort object. We have a before all, which contains an array of numbers and an array of strings. And it sorts a collection of objects. So sorted is numbers, sort objects, and default is ascending. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. But it can also sort in descending order. And in this case it will try to sort alphabetically. So that would be Powershell and who is first? Who Powershell repeat no, who Steve? Who Steve Powershell goodbye and hello. Hi Corbab. So I need to move my chat a bit. There we go, so I can see it. There we go. So this is the English alphabet correct order, right? G, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So these need to be switched around. Doing alphabets is hard. There we go. Now we should be so GH and then PSW. So that should be a. So in uppercase before lowercase, I don't think it cares. No, I don't think it cares. I don't think sort object would. I don't think sort object has any case. Well, it has a case sensitive. It has a case sensitive parameter. But how would it? Well, that's a good question. Let's see if we can. Let's see what the docs say. Yeah, so it's default case insensitive. That I would assume at least. Does it? Yeah, but it doesn't say which one it would prefer. If it's uppercase before lowercase, test it then. So lowercase before uppercase then. Yeah. Hi Shane. But only if the letters match. Yeah, so if we do yeah, because it would still do it so if we do a lower and a lower, I would assume no, so for these Koans it wouldn't matter, no. Because it wouldn't sort all uppercases before all lowercases. Well, let's see then. No, it does individually. Yeah, I understand. That would be kind of a trick question in that case. But anyways, it would be default case insensitive. So in this case, so let's move on to it can sort based on the properties of objects. So sorted is who, Steve, oh, hello, goodbye in PowerShell. And strings are okay. So we should sort on some property, and I am going to do, so this is probably going to be length, isn't it? Yeah, it's going to be length. So we can do a length. So it will sort by length. And it can sort based on custom criteria. So we do a sorted is numbers and then sort object. And the object modulus 3. So how would it sort it then? Would it exclude? That's kind of interesting as well, isn't it? I haven't tried doing this. So this would sort it. So 6 mod 3 is 0. So it. Okay, so it sorts it by the remainder in this case. So these have 0. These have 1, and this one has 1, and these have 2. Yeah, that's what it does. So that would, yeah, so we've officially cheated, but so that would be 6, 3, 9, 7, 1, 4, 10, 5, 2, 8. And then individual. So how does it sort it individually within each modulus then? Is it just random? No, it's sorted by just it's sorted by the original. Because so 6 is before 3 is before 9, so it sorts within the each modulus in modulo in English, yeah. Within each modulo, it sorts just in the order it was entered into the, yeah. But this is V6. What if we do a stable? So it seems to be default stable. Let's see what the stable. So unless you use this, it's random. Is that what they mean? That should be added as well. A typo. Yeah, a top and bottom, but specifies the number of objects to get from the start of a sorted object. Yeah, but that just returns a stable sort of the first X objects then. Yeah, I don't know. But since we have the stable parameter, does it mean that when we run it without stable, that it is essentially a random order? Because then this is another bug we need to put into PSKoans. But that was the bottom of sort object. Let's just measure karma and use the topic about sort object sort. So I have one error. So that's on line 34. So it's not length. Steve and hello is actually. So if we do case sensitive here, does that mean that we will get it in the order? No. So it sorts hello before Steve in any case. Yeah, because it sorts lowercase before uppercase. But why would it? Yeah, and in case insensitive, it's random, or it's probably random. I don't know. Is it possible that this also is some sort of thing? This is a thing that will change on each session. Oh. And there we get the divide by zero error. I just submitted a pull request to fix this divide by zero error. It seems to be only tied to some systems, possibly based on locale. We don't know. But we change it to just yeah, use another number for the total. Okay, so let's do full measure then. So I think I said it when I started the stream, but it's only 1 week left until, well, it's less than 1 week left until PSKonf. And I am so excited. Yeah. We have the same cup. This is the purple one from last year. The new one is, oh, it's green screening it out. next year is, or this year it's some sort of pinkish orange or something. So that's nice. It's new cup for a new year. So, oh, so measure object is, so I probably loaded another module then. It seems to happen a lot. I fixed this before I started the stream, but yeah, PSKonf is an awesome conference. I haven't been at the Powershell Summit, but I assume it's more or less the same sort of environment. Here we go. And where object is now failing as well. On 362. It's nice when stuff changes just within the same session as well. I wonder why my home folder keeps changing so much. Well, it's 2 levels down from my home folder, so that might even be some sort of temp folder from the OS as well, I guess. App data or something like that. So I need to move on and get the kids in 12 minutes, so I would love to have some more. So AboutModules is the next one. So we need to start nearing the end of Commandlets 1 and can move on to Commandlets 2 and then constructs and patterns. So let's do AboutModules. PowerShell is built from various types of modules which come in 3 flavors: script modules, manifest modules, and binary modules. Manifest modules are the least common, consisting only of a single PSD1 file. Their primary code is often stored in a core library of PowerShell and is not considered part of the module itself, merely exposed by it. Binary modules are compiled from C# using the PowerShell libraries and tend to be in .dll formats with other files providing metadata. Script modules commonly consist of PSM1, PSD1, and PS1 and other files, and are one of the more common module types. So describe getModule. GetModule is used to find out which modules are presently loaded into the session or to search available modules on the computer. It returns a list of modules in the current session. So we do getModule and then first 3 modules, which is blank blank blank, version of 3rd module, which is blank, and type of 6th module, which is blank. So first 3 modules should be modules, so we could do just a get module, I guess. So the first 3 would be, let's hope Pester or Koans is getting the same list. Chocolati profile, and then sim commandlets, and dummy types. Version of 3rd module should be 0.0, and type of 6th module, so 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a manifest. and it can filter by module name. So we do a get module on pester, and then we have 3 exported commands which are blank, blank, and blank, and then 3 exported commands should be in pester exported commands values.name. So we can just pick one. So we can do get command module pester. So we pick, well, do the weird ones, context, describe, and in, for instance. And it can list nested modules. So all modules is get module all. Axioms is all modules where object name equals axiom. And commands is blank, blank, blank. And then we need to pick 3 commands from axioms. I'm not sure if I have. Do I have one? Okay, so we can do get command module axiom. No, because this is nested. Okay, so we do we can just pick from the list we can see. So if you use all, you will get nested modules as well. So that's nested in and if commands 1 in axioms despite, oh, I didn't see the text. Despite us being able to see this module, we cannot use its commands as it's only available in pester's module scope, yeah. So we can't use anyone. Okay, let's do a measure and then I need to stop there, I guess, for today. Let's see if we got it right. Pretty short and sweet today. I just had to decompress a bit after a long day. I thought streaming would be a nice way to do it, and nearly at 2 what? Nearly at 200. Command 2, yeah. I can't be many left. We've done compare object, discovery for each, group object we've done, measure, new object we haven't done, so that's the next one I guess. PS priorities we've done, select object we've done, sort, t, and where. So it's just modules and then new objects, and we are on to commandlets 2, which is just out commandlets, and then constructs and patterns I guess. So we're getting there. So that's nice. It's only 70 Koans left until we're done. So we're starting to see possibly an end of the series. But that's good. There's probably some updates coming as well. So I don't think we'll be done with Koans anytime soon. So I got an error from, yeah, so for whatever reason, Koans isn't seeing the chocolatey profile. Module. Okay. Well, anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll be back sometime later. I don't think I will be able to stream before PSKonf. I'll try, maybe on Friday. Let's see. But it's hectic. So I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.